Well, probably made a mess of that amplifier module, but I cut the wires not too flush, but enough to where they're out of the way. They won't interfere with the vacuum advance. This is the old parts. This came out going over to the drive resistor and to the coil. And that's now removed, so it has the electronic ignition. So I'm going to put this back in and feed. Inside of here is going to be my wires coming out of the new Pertronix Ignitor, and it'll come out here going over to the distributors. Just two wires, black and a red. All right, let's come over there. So I've got the modified grommet in here. I'm going to go ahead and see. I'm not supposed to interfere with the vacuum advance, so you got to make sure that if that advances, it's not going to catch like it is right there on that wire. So I need to pull enough, won't too much slack, but enough. And I'll have this in here. What was that? Oh, that was the that keeps coming off. There's nothing to hold it there. The screw is gone. Distributor caps. As long as it doesn't interfere, we'll see how that works. Well, this has to go in next. But we're going to have to run these wires through this grommet so we don't get any dirt and contamination. Should have done that before I started this. Just run this black about right there. All right. About right there. Let's see what that looks like. There's a little notch there. Just gonna set it in, and that should keep any contaminants out. What you got to do? See, I need to pull a little more slack out. Sorry about that. So we're gonna, before this sets down in and we screw it in place, we're gonna need to lift up just so we can get. And I'll need to take a little bit more slack out of there. It looks like don't want that thing interfering with the vacuum advance lever. Okay. Now let's see. Should just be enough to get, there you go. Now it should fit right into place. I missed it somehow. I can see it touching it there.